Hi, this is Shahul from Pantech Pro Labs. Today we are going to see demo on FPGA implementation of PCB defect detection using background subtraction technique. In this demo, we have used Spartan 3 FPGA image processing kit to implement background subtraction technique. With the help of that, we will detect that defects in PCBs. Let's see the demo. Now I opened Xilinx Platform Studio with the project for background subtraction. In this, for downloading, you have to select download bitstream under device configuration. Turn on the kit. Once the program downloaded, you can see that LEDs glowing near this location. After download bitstream, we have to launch the XMD under debug option. Here we are going to download executable linker file. For that, open that linker file folder, that is cd space b subtraction is the name of the folder. Enter b cd space b subtraction. Now type ls to view the list of files. Now download the ELF by typing dow space executable dot ELF. After downloading that ELF file, we have to open that Visual Basic guide to view the output. Open that Visual Basic guide, which consists of 128 cross 128 window for viewing the output image and serial receiving window. Now type the command run and enter. Once you do this, we have a serial data receiving at 9600 baud rate through RS-232. You can click display image to view the image output over here. This is input image 1, which is the original PCB without any defects. If the image is not loading properly, we have to press soft reset in our FPGA board and close the VB guide and reopen and release the push button. Once you do this, that image output will receive from the starting. After receiving image 1, that is actual PCB image, then we will receive that fault PCB input. Now we received that input image 1. Now we will receive that input image of faulty PCB. After receiving faulty PCB image, now we are receiving that output image. Here is the output image where you can find that that faulty location will be coming as an output on it. You can see that that particular location track is removed from that faulty PCB. So with the help of this, we can identify the PCB faults easily. Thank you.